So today we are reviewing this product, which is an automatic hair color by MakeMeeBold. It comes in a sleek design and it feels premium. Let's check out this product and see if it really lives up to the hype. So here's what's inside the box. You get the hair color itself, an instruction manual and a 1-year warranty card. This product has adjustable temperature settings starting from 160 degrees Celsius up to 220 degrees Celsius. The barrel has a smooth ceramic coating that ensures fizz-free curls and even heat distribution. So now let's see how this product works. Here's the power button. इसे on करने के लिए long press the power button just like this. And these are the temperature settings. मुझे temperature settings को change करने के लिए power button को press करना है like this. Now I'm setting the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius to curl my hair. Here are the 3 buttons. This is the right curl button and this right here is the left curl button, and this button is to turn off and on the lights just like this. I long press the button to turn off the light. Now keep the cutout away from your face, and the cutout should be outside and not towards your face. Take one strand of your hair, preferably 1 inch for the best curl, and place it inside the curling chamber. Now I will press the left button because I want to curl the right side of my hair. Press the curling button until it starts beeping. Then release the button and wait for the beeping to stop. It's still curling, adjusting my hair strands, and I'll wait for it to finish. It has started beeping. And it's done. Oh my god, look at this! Now I'll press the right button because I want to curl my left side. Compared to the other traditional hair colors, this hair color is super easy and efficient. It doesn't burn your skin and has a 360-degree rotating cord which moves as you do. And now it's time for the final verdict. The MakeMeeBold automatic hair color is a top-notch product. Trust me girls, this is a top contender if you are looking for an effortless hairstyling tool, and it's effortlessly helpful for your hairstyling. It's user-friendly, easy to use, and will give you these long-lasting, beautiful curls. Girls, trust me, this is your go-to product. So please, go get yours now.